How to launch Google Ads for e-commerce quickly. Launching Google Ads for your e-commerce business doesn't have to be a complex or time-consuming process. Whether you're promoting a new product line or looking to increase traffic to your site, setting up a campaign in a swift yet effective manner can give you the boost you need. First, start by setting up your Google Ads account. If you don't have one already, visit the Google Ads website and sign up using your business email. Once logged in, click on Create Campaign. Opt for sales as your campaign goal to directly target conversions. Next, choose your campaign type. For e-commerce, search or shopping campaigns usually yield the best results. A search campaign allows your ads to appear in Google search results, while a shopping campaign will show your product ads directly. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Choose a daily budget that you are comfortable with. This should align with your marketing goals. For beginners, consider using automated bidding to let Google adjust your bids for maximum returns based on your budget. Create compelling ad groups. Group similar products and create specific ad groups for each category. This ensures relevance and better targeting. Your keywords should be aligned with the search intent. Utilize Google's Keyword Planner to identify effective keywords for your products. Craft strong ad copy. Highlight unique selling points, offers, or discounts to catch the eye of potential customers. Use clear call to actions like shop now or buy today. Configure targeting options. Make sure you define your audience demographics, such as age, gender, and location, to ensure your ads are shown to the right audience. Lastly, set up tracking and analytics. Install Google Analytics and link it to your Google Ads account to monitor your campaign's performance. Track metrics like clicks, conversions, and the cost per click to refine and optimize your ads over time.